Hey guys, I'm Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button down below and those notification bells so you're notified every single time I upload. It means the world to me and I would greatly appreciate it. Today we are going to do a cook with me video. I haven't done one of these in a while and kind of excited to do it. Tonight we are making off of the Meal Lime app. Now, I don't know if you guys know what the Meal Lime app is, but it's wonderful, it's free, get it, highly recommend. What we're making is skillet Dijon chicken and mushrooms with sugar snap peas. It's gonna be delicious. This is something that I have made so many times. I've made it for my parents when they come over. I've made it, the water's boiling behind you. I've made it so many times. So we're just gonna jump right into it. It is Saturday. I'm in my comfy clothes. I just showered. I'm also filming a what I eat in a day today. So this meal is gonna be in that video. You guys can check that out. I'll leave it in the link in the description below. So I have the water boiling behind you. I am going to make chicken broth for this recipe with that. So what you're gonna do is, this doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So it's very minimal ingredients. You're gonna do chicken, mushrooms, Dijon mustard, garlic, heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper, shallots. We're not doing shallots. Someone in this household does not like onions and it is not me. You need, I think I said chicken broth and thyme. It's very easy, doesn't take very long. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cut your chicken in half horizontally. I'm honestly not going to do that. I'm just going to season the chicken and pop it in the stove, the skillet. If I can open this. Oh my god. Okay. Season with salt and pepper on the chicken breasts. I just do it in this little container. Just gonna season. I'm gonna take some olive oil. Pop it in the pan. You can use butter, but we're gonna use so much butter this week for Thanksgiving that I don't want to use it right now. Speaking of Thanksgiving, I hope you guys are having a good holiday season, the start of the holiday season, and are staying safe. So you want to cook the chicken first. This is the longest part of the entire thing. So always want to put the seasonings side down in the pan first. I was hoping for a sizzle, but there is no sizzle yet. There will be. I hear it now. And then you want to salt and pepper your other side. I usually do it while it's in the pan. It's just easier that way, I think. I am making the chicken broth. So I use this Herb Ox chicken granulated bouillon. It's wonderful. Super duper easy. It's literally just 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of boiling water to make a broth. I always feel like when this is on, I have to scream to you guys, but I'm pretty sure I don't. Tip: if you don't want your oil splattering everywhere, get an oil guard. You literally just pop it on top, and you don't have to worry about it. It's wonderful. While the chicken is cooking, prep the rest of your meal. You will need 1 cup of chicken or vegetable broth. I typically do chicken. You need a half a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of thyme, garlic to taste. You need mushrooms. I just buy the pack of mushrooms. These are Baby Bella's, my favorite. And then, yeah, that's about it. Like I said, very easy. Now you can make this meal with rice. You can make this meal just with the vegetables itself. I typically make rice because it makes this like super yummy, delicious, warm sauce. I don't know if you guys have had any type of like Dijon chicken like this before, but it's one of my favorites. I honestly love it. This is so loud. So loud. At least to me it's loud. I don't know if it's loud to you guys. I'll see probably when I'm editing this video. After the chicken's done, you want to take it off and put it on a plate. and cover it with tin foil. That way it stays warm because you're gonna now cook up your mushrooms and things in the same pan. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add our mushrooms to the pan. So they just go right in. The whole box of them, the whole thing. And now they're going to cook down for about 5 to 6 minutes until they're soft and kind of evaporated all of the moisture out of them. Mushrooms tend to have a lot of moisture in them, and so you really want to eliminate all of that. And then you're gonna add the garlic. At this time, you'd add the shallots. So if you're using the shallots, add them now, but I'm not using shallots. So I'm gonna add some onion powder is what I do to kind of combat that lack of flavor. So it's time to add the garlic. It's smelling incredible in here. So you're gonna add, it says that 4 cloves, but I don't know what that is in relation to minced garlic. So I put in about a good heaping spoonful and a little bit extra because I love garlic. And then it says you want to do this for 15 to 20 seconds. From here, you're taking your cup of broth and you're pouring that in. And then you want to mix it around and scrape any of the bits from the bottom that kind of got left over. Oh my gosh, it smells incredible. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite smell is like garlic when cooking. It's garlic. 100%. 100% it's garlic. And then you're gonna take your heavy whipping cream. So you want a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I eyeball this. I always have, because I like it more on the creamier side. So maybe add just a little bit more than a half a cup. So you're gonna add that in. And then you add 2 tablespoons of your Dijon mustard. This is the Trader Joe's brand. For a second I was like, wow, that says something so nice. It's like Moutarde de Dijon. I was like, wow, what brand is this? Trader Joe's. Do you like my French? It's lovely, I know. So 1 big one and then a little one I'll add in. And then we're gonna stir all that together. You let this simmer and then you add in your chicken again. So at this point, you want to salt and pepper and you want to add your thyme. Okay, so I don't add fresh thyme, I have ground thyme. I just have thyme leaf from Sprouts. It does the same thing. And I just kind of get all of that in here. So everything is incorporated. Now you're adding your chicken back in. Okay. So, and then you just like let it all marinate together for about 5 minutes. So you're adding your chicken. I have my 2 breasts here. Back in to it. Kind of like snuggle it down. Snuggle it. Sneak it down into the pan because you want it to coat it because that flavor, I'm not even joking, it is amazing. The Dijon mustard makes it like super tangy, and then that homey feeling from the thyme and the salt and pepper, which I need to add. It's just so good. You want to let it simmer until it's thick. So your sauce will get thick because of the heavy whipping cream. So you're gonna let it simmer on low for 5 minutes-ish, and during this time you want to make your rice and you want to saute your snap peas. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, we are all set. We have everything finished. We got our rice done. The sauce is like super duper creamy. So I'm just gonna plate it up and taste it on camera with you guys. Now, the best part about this, in my opinion, is the sauce. That's what I wanna eat. So I gotta grab a spoon and I like drench this thing. So it's super creamy. You make sure that you get enough of those mushrooms on top. You guys, I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It just smells so good. Garlicky, the thyme. Oh, delicious. It smells delicious in here. So let's taste a little bit. Just gonna taste a little bit of the rice with the mushrooms. You guys, I'm not kidding. Make this recipe. It's so good. One of those like rustic, warm, perfect for fall. Perfect for fall dishes that you can make also all year round. So it's absolutely delicious. Make sure you're making this. If you do, comment down below. Also tag me on Instagram at the Gluten Free Girl. Make sure you're subscribing to my channel as well and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.